Alright.
Oh my god, boy, he got it got. Oh my god.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. As you may have noticed, probably didn't though. That's not what I meant to say. Okay. As you may have noticed, we have a new camera now. So I have this one and I have the webcam over here. Anyway, yeah. First of all, if you're not already subscribed, then just go subscribe. It's not that hard. I'll wait. And also we have a Discord server now. You can join that too. The link's in the description. Okay, so basically 4 years ago, this is where it started. What you're watching right now, all of my videos, they wouldn't exist if this website wasn't here. I got introduced to Scratch in 6th grade, obviously as a class, not like for fun. And before this, I didn't know I had an interest in coding or anything. Yeah, I don't yeah, I don't remember the username. Okay, alright. Okay, so this was the first ever coding project or anything I ever made. This could be anything. No. Okay, so for the first project, we had to introduce ourselves to the whole class and write 4 fun facts about ourselves. So this was what I made. And if we're being honest, it's interesting. What the Alright, so to say the least, it's below average. Alright, this was the second project. Alright, he's running. Okay. Oh, it's another fun facts type of thing. Hey, and I ended up doing it. Alright, so this was the end of year project that we had to make. And already some questionable things off the bat. The title is Zeus vs. Poseidon. Good game. Trust me. And then in the notes and credits, we got credits. Me. Did I really have to do that? If you're telling us how to fix it, why don't you do like a patch update to fix it? Because we're running out of time. And then I'm pretty sure he messaged me in the summer, like in summer break, saying, what about now? Alright, let's see this masterpiece. Oh. Alright. Okay, you can attack. You got health bars. What's the other guy's control? Q. It's supposed to be multiplayer, but obviously. And then you can't shoot more than one bullet, it just teleports back. And then there's this glitch. I thought I remembered a glitch when they both died at the same time. Something was supposed to happen, but I didn't think it would be this. I don't remember making this, bro. And in this same class, we also learned a little bit of Python. Before they were teaching Python in this class, I went and tried to learn on my own. But obviously I wasn't that good at it, and I didn't keep any of the projects I started out making in Python, but I remember like roughly what they were. So this was the exact channel that helped me learn Python. And when I first started out, I was using a Mac, and I don't know why, but I just couldn't import modules or even install them. So I would have to use the built-in modules, and Turtle was one of them. So I would go to this guy's channel and I would follow the tutorial, and after 3 of the videos I would just skip to the end and copy all the code. So the games would look something like this, but just worse if I made it myself without any help. I still to this day have no idea how people make their own game engines and stuff, like, nah. But yeah, this is the type of stuff I would try to make. And then 7th grade came along, and in 7th grade I had a more advanced programming course. So we had to learn web development, which is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And in the after school program that I joined for it, we got to learn Unity. And obviously we didn't know anything about it, we didn't even know what it was, we just opened it and We were making random shapes and we were just messing around pretty much. So I don't have any of the first Unity projects that I had, but I do have the web development. Alright, so let's go through some of this. Okay, so this was a project that we had to make for the class. We had to make a table of contents, and when you click it, it brings you to that section of the website. It's just text with a background. I don't know what I was trying to do here, but this was another assignment that we had to do. It tells you the directions, and you just have to follow it and give it a border, change the background color, change the text, and just do whatever it says pretty much. And then we have this one. This is 0.5 MB, so I hope this is good. Okay, so this one, I remember making this. So we got to make a website about whatever we wanted, and obviously 12-year-old me thought it would be a good idea to put Fortnite. All the other websites that I just showed you, they weren't all made by me. This was the first one that was completely by me. So everything on this page, I had to put in. And the first 2 years, I wasn't taking it too seriously. They were just classes, and I had an interest, but it wasn't as intense as it is now. And then in 8th grade, I focused more on JavaScript, not HTML and CSS as much. Yeah, I had a lot more projects. So September 20th, I made the first project here, and it's just some shapes. So the text right here, it's supposed to tell you the mouse position, like the X and Y coordinates, but it's just overlapping each other, and yeah. So it's a rocket, and it was supposed to move up. I don't know why it's not moving, but it was moving before. It's just a moving ball. Okay. October 22nd, I made a fat dog. Oh, I remember this. Okay, so I don't remember why I made this, but hey, it's there. It doesn't move or anything. It's just a drawing with rainbow eyes. The assignment was we had to make buttons, and we had to make the buttons do something. So I made this. You can move left, right, up, down, and you can change how fast it goes. I think the slider was supposed to change the color. Already, this is just amazing. What even is this? I don't know what the purpose of this is, but hey, it's great. We got next crime. Oh, yo, okay, so this one, we had to remake ourselves. This little hoodie string thing. Making it transparent was actually hard. Like, it took a while to get it right. But anyway, this is a self-portrait. It's pretty accurate. If you press something, it just goes away. And throughout the quarantine, I don't even know what we did for that class. I honestly don't even remember. What I do remember is being really into Unity and making this channel. I made it on May 11th, 2020, and ever since then I've just been focusing on Unity and programming, and hopefully you're gonna see the rest of my programming journey. This video was a little boring, so sorry for that, but I don't know, I just feel like I kinda had to make it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Discord, the link's in the description. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. And also we hit 100 subs since the last video, so thank you to everyone that subscribed and that's supporting. So with all that being said, I'm gonna see you guys next video.